Hey guys, today we're visiting Bexley by Newland Communities here on State Road 54 in Land O'Lakes, Florida.
Bexley is situated on 18,000 acres, 12,000 of which are the nature preserve. It was named Best Community twice in 1 year and offers award-winning amenities such as clubhouse with a cafe and bike shop, lap pool with kids splash zone, fitness center, open-air game room, and miles of multimodal trail system for nature walks and bicycling, as well as dog park, soccer field, BMX park, and various built and natural play areas. Today I stopped by Homes by West Bay. They offer several quick move-in homes available for purchase, ranging in size and priced between $335,000 and $420,000. Some homes are already marked with a $25,000 discount, and you can still get another $5,000 towards your closing costs. I was also told that you can basically get a $17,000 in price reduction for any base price home in addition to $5,000 towards your closing costs. As you can see, Homes by West Bay offer a variety of home options ranging in size from low 1,600 to 3,400 square foot. And home shoppers, just a quick reminder that we are offering a commission rebate to you at closing. Visit our website for more information.